Hello
So I'm gonna
world.
try to eat.
Look at this. This is an edible foods from Asia, and we found it here in Poland. So look at this. Its appearance, its texture has a powdery hair at the core of its petals here. Look at this color.
Its taste is like a
dusty, a little bit.
There's
so,
no bitterness, but
and its
a little
shape
bit.
is like an arrowy pointed.
But during its taste is like a juicy. I'm sure in Western.
I'd never known in my life that this is an edible food. So
They
this
can make
Nepali
it
friend
vegetable salad.
teach me
This kind.
how to look this kind of vegetable food. So this is it. See you next one. Bye bye.